Are you a student passionate about making a difference in Hayward? The Hayward Youth Commission is looking for dedicated young leaders like you. As a commissioner, you'll advise local leaders, work on important projects, and give a voice to youth issues in our community.
I got involved in the Hayward Youth Commission when I was a junior at Tennyson High School. And the reason why I got involved is because I really wanted to help make a difference on issues that were impacting youth, particularly in South Hayward and kids that were going to Tennyson High School. And the Youth Commission has a very important role because it advises the elected bodies on issues that impact the people in Hayward, the young people in Hayward. And we want to hear from the youth on how we can do better, how we can create services that meet the needs of our youth today and better position our community to continue to meet the evolving needs of the youth tomorrow as well.
Meetings are held monthly at City Hall, where you'll collaborate with elected officials to shape policies that impact young people.
I would recommend the commission to anybody who wants to get into the world of politics. And if you're not really a political person, I would still recommend it because you get a lot of in-hand experience, you get to make new friends, you get to build community, and you also get to have a lot of fun experiences.
Honestly, what I like about the Youth Commission is the fact that you get to meet a lot of new people. I feel like I've made a lot of connections, and also all the city events that you get to help out at. I've volunteered a lot and I've just met a bunch of incredible people.
Some people want to join it because it's political, it shows political interest, but also if you're not really into that, I would still recommend it because it's a place where you get to meet a lot of new people, make a lot of new friends, and it's just fun overall.
Honestly, at first I was kind of like iffy about joining. I was like, I'm not gonna fit in, like nobody's gonna talk to me, I'm not gonna make friends. But honestly, being part of the Youth Commission helped me open up. It made me feel like belonging, I guess.
We're now accepting applications. Apply by Friday, May 9th to be a part of this exciting opportunity. If you're 13 to 20 years old and live in Hayward or within the Hayward Unified School District, this is your chance to lead, learn, and create change. Ready to make an impact? Apply today.
I highly recommend to join the Youth Commission. It's a super great opportunity. It'll look great on colleges, but also you'll just meet a lot of new people and have a lot of fun. So I highly recommend you join.
Join the Hayward Youth Commission for 2025.
Definitely look into it. It's super fun. It's a lot of belonging, a lot of friends. You're gonna meet a lot of people, a lot of the community. It's a really good experience. Really good experience.
Join the Hayward Youth Commission. We're waiting for you.